Then will rise from their graves, returning to their dwelling, and lying in wait for your doomed wagon to pass through. There is no escape. Your souls will be mine as these legends of Halloween come back to life. Your fear will be unleashed.
I've got a street beast last night. It broke into my chicken coop and bit me on the leg when I opened the door. But it looks like just a scratch. Nothing serious. Oh, what the hell is going on? Get out of here! Hurry!
I like werewolves. That's the end. I will. I want to be a werewolf, man. As long as you don't die for me. I won't die. I'm a werewolf.
Get your love, queen. It's so good. Try not to breathe this window.
Can I join the circus?
No, but you can be the ice cream.
Oh, man.
Everyone's going to be ice cream.
Oh, don't y'all look nice and right. We'll get you loaded up on the cookie board, adding to Sean's house.
Please, I don't want to die. Please help me. Please get me out of here.
Guns. Enough of your tongue. Here comes the harvester now. Get it now. Better wash your head too.
Cover your ears. Their souls bleed to death. Don't fall for the siren's cry.
Oh, yesterday. Thank you.
We've got you all like this you are.
People, look quickly. I am one of man who is the president, and I can play the evil beast fighter. This rabbit was for too long.
He's right here, in front of me.
Here comes the freedom. Oh, what the hell is going
Quickly, Igor. Again, that arrived just in time. I, the historian on Frankenstein, how can you the story of romance? As you know, we're looking for a husband, good men, most to nothing less than monsters in the sky. There we go. Behold, my monster.